If your Android phone screen is black and won't turn on, here's how to troubleshoot. First, you need to check if it's off. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to see if it turns on, and you can also try charging it. Use a charging cable that you've tested on another device to ensure that it works, and inspect the phone's charging port for any debris and clean it out. Plug the phone in and let it charge for 10 to 20 minutes, and even if the screen is black, it might be charging. And after charging, it may boot up automatically. Or you might need to press the power button, then try force restarting. If charging does not work after 20 minutes, press and hold the power button, and some devices may restart this way. If that does not work, press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for 7 to 10 seconds and release the buttons, and the phone should restart. If your phone does not start, repeat the force start process again. And if you only tried the power button, try holding the volume down button as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.